Yeah. Hey, what's up, people?
Welcome to the Loveland channel, the Lovelands.
I think this is the second video, right?
Yeah.
At the time this video is being recorded, we still haven't even uploaded the first video.
Imagine that.
and what's interesting is that the subscribers are increasing,
Yeah.
and we haven't uploaded
A single video.
nothing. There's nothing at all.
That's some tough love, real love right there.
And I think you featured it on Delicia Life and Travel, the Lovelands channel. She featured it on her channel, so
Yeah.
I think people can see the link to it.
They can see the channel. I actually kind of attached it to Delicia Life and Travel.
And there's no video, there's no content, there's nothing over there. There's nothing over there, but subscribers are pouring in. So
We
thank
love
you.
ya. We love ya. Y'all thank you, yeah?
Right now, all the energy has been directed towards Delicia Life and Travel. That's why, you know.
We are slow in coming, but we
Yeah,
I mean a colloquial woman that is standard English me, yeah. So y'all get used to it, yeah?
you don't maho, yeah?
Oh.
Don't maho. Don't maho.
They been flip on me. Oh my God, how y'all doing, man?
We have. No, go ahead, baby.
We are sitting at ELWA Beach.
LY.
ELWA.
Chap.
ELWA. ELWA.
That's what it's called. LY.
EL is L. WA is Y.
He said LY.
Yeah, LY Beach. ELWA Beach.
So why is it called LY?
Because it's ELWA. EL is L. WA is Y.
Okay. Okay. You're pronouncing the acronym.
I got him.
They won't put the acronym together. Then she said.
And I'm talking all that the book me here.
No, I thought no. What I
You thought
actually I thought it was LY. So I'm like, where's LY coming from?
And I
But
keep
then-
saying ELLWAY. I ate it.
Man.
When you catch the book man on a way, I can have it.
So one thing I can assure you guys of is that in the next couple of weeks, couple of months, there will be really beautiful and exciting. Wow. There'll be really beautiful and exciting videos coming through on this channel about things we do, places we go, experiences we have. Yeah, things that
I like to hear him talk.
oh God. Yeah. Yep. And you guys should bear with me because I'm not used to being in front of the camera. She's the one who's always in front and I'm behind.
Well,
So
you are
this will take some getting
now.
used to, but once I get used to it and I get the hang of it.
Here we are, back view of where we are. I know it's dark. Yeah, okay. Let's say bye to the people now. Yo, Baba, we love you.
Yo, Baba, we love you.
Yeah. Indeed. Back on deck on my fly shit. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Back on deck on my fly shit. Hey. JV. On deck. Yeah. On deck. Hey, Indies.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
Club.